Can we just look at this right now? Look at that. It's like 50 degrees. Fall time. Hello. Oh man, sorry guys. I think I'm getting sick. Got the ginger ale going right now. We got the beautiful Project Midnight chilling here. This is a piece of my fender liner that was once attached right here, and the other night thought I'd be slick, you know, run the car without the bumper, do a couple pulls, and on one of my pulls all I heard was and all of a sudden I pull into it was like a Lowe's or Home Depot, and this thing was just dangling on with the bungee cord, and I had a few zip ties. So this is officially trash. I'm gonna order a new fender liner for this side, but I might as well replace the other side as well. So stay tuned for a do-it-yourself on how to do that, because I don't like stuff shooting all up into here, especially water. Bam. Still staying super clean. You guys can't really see it, but there's the thermal gasket right there. I still need to retorque my studs. I know a couple of you guys recommended retorquing the studs after a few like heat cycles, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But for today, I'm gonna do some data logging. I want to see if my intake air temps are gonna be consistent with the new gasket. Guys, I know it's nothing crazy, it's a small little mod, but like I said, everything that you do to the K20 or the K series cars, they respond so well. Like, I feel like it makes a tad difference in like gas mileage, because for some reason I've been getting crazy good gas mileage the times I have been driving this car. So folks, it is time to hit some VTEC. No gas. That is a rare occurrence for your boy. If you follow this thick cable, it's gonna lead you to a device called Flashpro. On data app, pair it up here and see what is going on with the car and the temperatures, mainly intake air temp. Display, look at that. Got my display going. Look at that, premium 350. So it's 50 degrees out, and my intake air temperatures right now, it's kind of hard to see, but they are 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop down to 64 degrees. Car is at operating temperature right now. The air coming into my manifold is only 14, let's say 12 or 14 degrees higher than the temperature it is outside. God, this thing is so much fun. Every time I hop back in it, after not driving it for like a week, I like appreciate the crap out of it. Like, I don't even know why I would think about selling this car. It makes no sense. SI, you need to add one to your collection, man. 200 horse, 6-speed LSD, 8K redline, 8th gen SI gang. Shout out to all the homies with 8th gens. The temperature went up like 2 degrees. I'm still data logging right now, and this thing won't go past like 71 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm into an idle. I want to see what this thing raises up. It's gonna raise to like 75.
Some third thing that'll be on tire wave. It'll be they might rely heavily on. The coupe doors, that's what's up. The coupe doors, that's what's up.
Like the elevation part of Connecticut, and the temperature is 45 degrees right now, guys, and my intake air temps, look at that, 60 degrees. I got a knock. Oh boy, she's running pretty cool, pulling pretty strong. I have no complaints, guys. No destination before I head to Six Flags tonight, but let's see. Usually I can't really rest my hand on the manifold, but let's check this out here. That thing is not even that hot. It's probably like 80 degrees. That's crazy. So I don't have anything negative to say about the gasket, the thermal gasket right here. It was just some cheap eBay one. I have a engine hose tuck video coming soon. I'm removing all this crap right here so I can have more access to like my fuel rail if I need to take that off. I'm going to be getting a new fuel rail, most likely with a gauge on it, and this has got to go still. This has got to go.